If you guys are wondering if it's faster to make baked sweet potatoes in your Instant Pot or your oven, I'm here with the answer today. I'm Kristen from A Mindful Mom, and I love my Instant Pot, and I love sharing with you easy recipes your family will love. But I've got to be honest with you. I thought it would be a lot quicker to make sweet potatoes in my Instant Pot than it actually is. As you know, I love making baked potatoes in my Instant Pot. I've shared that recipe with you before. It's quick, it's easy, it doesn't heat up the kitchen, and it makes restaurant quality baked potatoes perfectly in a fraction of the time. Baked sweet potatoes, that's another story. I can make a baked sweet potato in my oven in less than an hour. And in the Instant Pot, by the time the Instant Pot comes to pressure and cook time elapses, it takes about that same amount of time. However, the sweet potatoes are super fluffy, super soft, and I can keep the heat out of my kitchen. So I still prefer to make sweet potatoes in my Instant Pot than using my oven. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. You want to select sweet potatoes that are uniform in size. It doesn't matter if the lengths are different, but we're looking for the widths or the diameter of the sweet potatoes because that's going to determine the cook time of baked sweet potatoes. Give your sweet potatoes a good scrub and then pierce with a fork several times. This will keep your sweet potatoes from bursting open. Place your trivet in your inner pot. Pour 1.5 cups of cold water in your Instant Pot if using an 8-quart Instant Pot, and 1 cup cold water in your Instant Pot if you're using a 3 or a 6-quart Instant Pot. And place your sweet potatoes on the trivet. It's okay if they overlap. Once our sweet potatoes are in our Instant Pot, place your lid on the Instant Pot. Be sure your vent knob is pointed towards sealed and not venting. And now we need to set cook time. To determine cook time, it's all about size. My sweet potatoes were about 3.5 inches in diameter or width-wise. And we're going to use the diameter to calculate the cook time. For 2-inch or less diameter, we're going to cook for 18 minutes on high pressure. That's really small sweet potatoes. For sweet potatoes that are 2 to 3 inches in diameter, which are medium-sized potatoes or potatoes that you'll find in like a bag, a 3-pound bag of sweet potatoes, you're going to cook for 22 minutes on high pressure. And for sweet potatoes that are 3 to 4 inches in diameter or that are large, you're going to cook for 27 minutes on high pressure. My sweet potatoes were large, so I'm going to cook for 27 minutes on high pressure. To do this, hit manual or pressure cook and use the plus or minus buttons to adjust to read 27. Let pressure build. This will take between 10 and 15 minutes, and then let the cook time count down. Once cook time has elapsed, let pressure release naturally for at least 5 minutes. Then you can do a quick pressure release. Remove the lid on your Instant Pot and remove your sweet potatoes. As you can see, our sweet potatoes are soft and tender and slice up easily. These sweet potatoes are great served plain with a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar and some butter, or you can use them for like sweet potato casserole or a filling, something like that. I also love to serve my sweet potatoes topped with chili or black beans and some avocados for a great meal. But bottom line, I love making baked sweet potatoes in my Instant Pot. Even though they take longer than making baked potatoes, I still prefer this method to using the oven, hands down. Bonus, there's no mess to clean up. You know how sweet potatoes get that caramely goodness that can leak out of them when they're baked in the oven? That seeps into the water and it's so much easier to clean up. You guys, I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you love making Instant Pot sweet potatoes as much as I do. And for this recipe and more Instant Pot recipes, be sure to visit amindfulmom.com. And happy cooking.